Ẹkáàáro o, ní àárọ̀. In the morning, Yoruba will say good morning, Ẹkáàáro. Good morning, Ẹkáàáro. Ìyẹn ni ní Gẹ̀ẹ́sì, good morning. Ẹkú ìjókòó. Ìyẹn ni pé o jókòó. O wà lórí ìjókòó. Yorùbá máa kí ọ wípé ẹkú ìjókòó o. Congratulations, ẹkú oríire o.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ẹ̀kọ́ èdè Yorùbá.
Pẹ̀lú ìfẹ́ Olúwa. Fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti wà níbí ìtẹ́lẹ̀, ẹ ṣeun gidi gan ni tí ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa. Fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa, ẹ ṣeun gidi gan ni. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín, kò dẹ̀ sí ohun tí ẹ lè ṣe sí.
Lónìí a ó máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa
ìkíni ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Oríṣiríṣi ọ̀nà ni Yorùbá máa ń gbà láti kí ènìyàn. Ní àárọ̀ ní ẹ káàárọ̀ o. Ní àárọ̀. In the morning, Yoruba will say good morning, Ẹkáàáro. Good morning, Ẹkáàáro. Ìyẹn ni ní Gẹ̀ẹ́sì, good morning. Ní Yorùbá wá ní Ẹkáàáro o. Tí ó bá wá di ọ̀sán, which is the afternoon. Tí ó bá wá di ọ̀sán, afternoon, Yorùbá sọ wípé Ẹkáàsán o. Káàsán o ìyẹn ni pé good afternoon, good evening, ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ o. Ní alẹ́. In the night, Yoruba will say Ẹkáalẹ́ o. In the night, Yoruba will say Ẹkáalẹ́ o. Ẹkáalẹ́ o. Ní èdè Yorùbá, Ẹkáalẹ́ o. There's no word for ẹkú. In Yoruba, we have ẹkú for greetings. A lot of times, Yoruba will say ẹkú. Ní àìmọye ìgbà ní Yorùbá máa sọ wípé ẹkú. Ṣùgbọ́n ní Gẹ̀ẹ́sì a ò ní. Nítorí náà, a ò lè ṣe ẹkú yìí, a ò lè yí i sí èdè
Gẹ̀ẹ́sì.
Ó dúró. Ní èdè Yorùbá, ó dúró.
Yorùbá sọ pé
Ẹkú ìdúró o. Ẹkú ìdúró o. That means well done for standing. Ẹkú ìjókòó. You're on your seat. Ẹkú ìjókòó. Ìyẹn ni pé o jókòó. O wà lórí ìjókòó. Yorùbá máa kí ọ wípé ẹkú ìjókòó o. Well done for sitting. Congratulations, ẹkú oríire o. Ẹkú àdúrótì o. Thank you for supporting me. Ẹkú àdúrótì o. Thank you for supporting me. Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ wà lórí ìkànnì yìí máa sọ fún yín pé ẹkú àdúrótì, pé ẹkú àdúrótì o. Maybe this person is showing you love in Yoruba. Ẹkú ìfẹ́ o. You want to greet that person. Ẹkú ìfẹ́ o. Ẹnìyẹn ń fi ìfẹ́ hàn sí ọ. Ẹkú ìfẹ́ o. Ẹnìkan ń ṣe iṣẹ́. Bóyá ẹni yìí ń ṣe iṣẹ́. Ẹkú iṣẹ́ o. Well done o. Ẹkú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta. It's been a while. Ẹkú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta. It's been a while. Ẹkú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta o. Ẹkú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta o. It's been a while o. Ẹkú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta o. You have visitors in the house. Ẹkú àlejò o. Ní àwọn àlejò nílé máa sọ wípé ẹkú àlejò o. Ẹkú àmójúbà o. People around you say ẹkú àmójúbà. Ẹkú àmójúbà o. Ọ̀kan kú fún ọ. They say ẹkú ara fẹ́ra kù o. Ẹkú ara fẹ́ra kù o. Another person that ẹkú ara fẹ́ra kù o. Ẹkú ọwọ́ lómi o. Person that just gave birth. Ẹkú ọwọ́ lómi o. Ẹkú ewu ọmọ o. You're celebrating something. The Yoruba people will say ẹkú ayọ̀ òní o. Maybe you're celebrating birthday. Òbí òun ṣe àjọyọ̀. Òun ṣe àwọn ohun ayọ̀. Òun ṣe ọjọ́ ìbí. Àwọn Yorùbá sọ pé ẹkú ayọ̀ òní o. Ẹkú ayọ̀ òní o. That means you're doing something good like weddings, ceremony. Then maybe you're having a party in the house. Ẹkú ìnáwó. That means well done for spending. Ẹkú ìnáwó. Well done for spending. Like they are greeting you. They are greeting you for spending your money. So they will say, well done for spending. No, well done for spending your money. You're in your shop and someone is just passing by. Ẹkú ọrọ̀ ajé o. That one, I don't think we have direct translation for it in English. Ẹkú ọrọ̀ ajé o. Well done for selling your goods, doing your business. So ẹkú ọrọ̀ ajé o. Ẹkú ìtàdí or ẹkú ìfẹ́ra. If you fart and they want to greet you, not you that you fart that you greet somebody. You, the person that farts, some people around the person would come and greet the person. Wọ́n wá kí ipe mo so ẹ wá kí mi wípé ẹkú ìtàdí o. So that's it. Yorùbá oṣó wá kí ọ. Kò sí ohun tó ṣe nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tí wọ́n ní kí ọ. Your mother is in the house. She's the only one doing everything. She's working. She wash plates. She will sweep the floor and she's just doing anything. And you're in the house. Maybe you're pressing your phone. Ó wà nínú ilé. Ìyá rẹ̀ ṣe gbogbo ohun tí ó yẹ kó o ṣe. Ó dìde wà nínú yàrá. Ó jókòó síbẹ̀. Ó jáde láti ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́. Like maybe your mother is in the house. she's the only one doing everything. And you came outside and you saw her. When you say Ẹkú iṣẹ́, that means well done. Ẹkú iṣẹ́, well done. She will now greet you. Ẹkú àìṣe o. You too, well done for doing nothing. Well done for not doing anything in the house. Well done for not doing anything. Ẹkú àìṣe. Maybe you are doing something, you are doing rubbish. You are doing rubbish, you are not doing anything. Bóyá o ò ṣe nǹkan kan, kàn ń ṣe nǹkan tó wù ọ́, o kàn ṣe ohun tó ń wà meaningful, o ń ṣe àwọn ohun tí kò ní ìtumọ̀. Bí o ń ṣe àwọn ohun tí ò ní ìtumọ̀, àwọn Yorùbá kí ọ pé o kú òṣì, ẹ kú òṣì o, o kú òṣì o. That means well done for doing rubbish, well done for doing rubbish. Kú òṣì. And in Yorùbá, you want to greet someone that is older than you, fẹ́ kí ẹni tí ó jù ọ́ lọ, you say Káàárọ̀ Ẹ̀kálẹ́. But if you want to give someone that is not older than you, ẹni yìí kò jù ọ́ jẹ́ ojú ẹgbẹ́, you are age mates. You are older than that person or you are age mates. You greet that person kú iṣẹ́ o. So instead of you use kú. Ẹkú iṣẹ́ is for older ones and kú iṣẹ́ is for the ones you are older than or the ones that are younger than you or your age mates. You use kú iṣẹ́ o. That's one. There's no respect in that one. But ẹkú iṣẹ́ is respect. Thank you very much for watching. Ẹ ṣeun gidi gan tí ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lónìí. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín, kò dẹ̀ sí ohun tí ẹ lè ṣe sí i.